Hey, what's going on guys? My name's CJ. In this video, I'm going to do a product review on a Saffory Pet Claw Trimmer or dog trimmer for when you need to trim your dog's hairs, especially in between their paws. So let's go ahead and open this up to show you real quick what's inside. So we have the trimmer, fully charged, pretty nice, white. So it comes with a metal blade. There's also a little plastic blade that goes underneath, if you see that right there, and then it's rechargeable, comes with the cord, little brush, and some oil to put on there. So my one dog, Bruno, Mr. Bruno, he has a lot of fur in between his paws, and my wife went ahead and did the back paws, so you can see right here how clean and beautiful it looks, and you can see here how furry and hairy his paws are in between. So really bad. So my wife's gonna go ahead and start trimming them. We've already done the back. I just want to show you guys what it's gonna look like as she's trimming the paws. So here we go. Let's go. Good boy. He's a very good boy when he does this. Good boy, Bruno. I'll put the link in the description. It's on Amazon, $19.99. Really cheap, very easy to use. And Indy, her paws don't really need it. She's short-haired and she doesn't have that issue. So Bruno is a golden Aussie Doodle, which means he's a golden retriever with an Australian Shepherd and a poodle mix. Supposedly he was hypoallergenic, but that was false. That is not true at all. He's a very hairy boy. You can just see the hairs. So, to show you. Good boy, Bruno. And he slips and slides all day long on our floors. We have the LVP flooring, the luxury vinyl planks. So we constantly have to keep his paws trimmed down. Alright, so this paw is now done. The front paw, beautifully well trimmed by my wife. You can see how clean it is looking. It's very simple just to get in between these grooves with this trimmer. Also helps him breathe, cools him down, keeping that nice and clean. Helps prevent the slip and slide. I would definitely recommend this product. We do have a hair trimmer where it vacuums. This does not vacuum, but for the most part, this is just a simple thing to just do the paws quickly, and it's just small enough. Our other one is not tiny like that, and can't really get in between all these grooves. So I really think it's worth the $20. I mean, what do you think, babe? Yeah, look at that. So that's like a polar bear paw. That's crazy. And it really doesn't hurt at all for him, but there's still a possibility you can nick your dog's paws. Just be careful. And look at all that hair. That's just insane. So this is just the front two paws. Like I said, we already did the back, but the amount of hair on his paws is ridiculous. Indy is not like that. She's over here looking at her paws. She actually has some hair there. I don't know why she's looking at her. She's looking at her paws. Look at her. She's got a lot of hair there.
We're going to get her.
We're going to get you, Indy. And that's it, guys. Link in the description. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.